think that it's yesterday I was visiting somewhere in Almere, which is in the new province. At 2 o'clock? Yeah. I think I don't know, I'm going to be gone already. How are you doing? Very good, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sorry. So buy all the plastics. No, well, I enjoyed it tremendously and I hope we can make it a yearly thing. So, if time, work.
Yeah, most welcome.
Allows me to do it, but it's great to be here. I think I was here for the first time we were going around the provinces before I got married.
I was already there then.
Yes. And I think that we actually were from here, from the with the electric car.
From the station with the electric car to here. Yeah.
To here, that was what we did.
Yeah.
And it was raining cats and dogs, and so we hardly could fit through the car, and with the umbrellas. It was so I have a very fond memories of a visit here. So
wonderful. It's wonderful that you get that. You keep this one around that.
Sorry, you're getting a lot of attention.
Very nice to meet you. Do you want to see what we're making? We're trying to brainstorm this. And here we have these. We're going to carve some more out of wood in just a moment.
Okay.
That's what we're doing.
I destroyed it.
No. Actually meant to happen.
It's meant to happen. Okay, very good.
Okay.
And the mouth part, what do we do with that? The people that invite us.
So we're also kind of experimenting with ceramics.
Okay,
so that's
interesting.
Yeah, so we want to make the wood parts and then cast the mold in ceramics so that we can pour it. There will be a granite base from wood, and then we base the wood prototypes on the ceramic so that I have like the tools here, but I work in my own time.
So actually works in the challenge sounds like so you have piece of wood over and you have to glue them together and
yeah, like so this one is on this was like a base piece and
okay.
that I just made.
Okay.
Material we have, we bring to the ceramic.
Ook materiaal waar ook functionality inderdaad je dan je get.
Yeah. Zars. Yes.
Zars. That's at the point.
Like a point kind of thing. So then we exchange material from the ceramic and then we don't have to waste it.
So nice because you give a value to it.
Exactly. It's amazing. I haven't had to buy materials in so long.
Okay, very good.
Maybe we can take you briefly to
Thank you so much.
Hebben wij een workshop op de grondplaats?
Oké. En hoe gaat het? Je kunt even laten zien.
Ik ben een beetje aan het strikken.
Ja, waarom?
Dus ja, ik moet dit allemaal verwarmen. Het is een vervelende hoek om eigenlijk
dit te verwarmen is
ja.
dan naar dit. Ja.
Die hoekjes, maar het zijn teststukken en straks als ik alles heb.
Maar die is wel goed gelukt.
Ja, dat is wel een teststuk, maar dat is wel een beetje lastig. Ik word een beetje nerveus.
Ja, ja.
Met hem gaan, jongen.
Zie je dat krijg ik hem net niet erin.
Ja, precies.
Je moet net in
Een beetje meer.
Hij leert hier gewoon alle facetten van de taalbewerking.
Ja, je bent hier wel als je vanaf het begin al ervaring gedaan, maar als je student bent en je hebt geen taalbewerking, je hebt hier gewoon mensen die met alles kunnen lopen. Bijvoorbeeld de bank draaien, met de bank draaien, met wassen, leraar die.
Ja, zoiets. Wat vindt u het meest interessant dan? Zoveel verschillende...
Meer creatief. Je blijft niet meer die grenzen van jouw metaalbewerking.
Je bent tweede jaar? Derde jaar. Want u bent al studie.
Ja.
Ja.
Dat ben je na, hè?
Ja.
Heel goed. Nou, fijn. Nou, voor laten zien. Sorry, het is voor mensen.
Nee, hoor.
Het was blijkbaar geen verrassing dat je langs zou komen.
Ja. Maar niet.
Ja, dat is echt leuk.
Dank.
Dankjewel.
Ja, veel plezier.
Scheepkunde van plastics? Nee, hè?
Dus meer hands-on,
Meer hands-on.
modellen maken, mallen maken, gieten, cyclonen.
Want die evolutie van plastic is ook heel belangrijk om toch wel echt te kunnen
Ja.
zien van tevoren wat het gaat worden.
Ja, die ambitie hebben ze wel, maar dan zit
Ik ben dan wel in de kamer, dus als je een beetje naar zee.
Ja.
Dank u wel.
Ja.
En dit is lekker doen, toch?
Ja, dit is wat er nu steeds meer gebeurt, is dat er eigenlijk alles veel duurzamer wordt en met natuurlijke materialen. De grondstoffen van de eten allemaal natuurlijk zijn.
Ja.
De studenten maken eigenlijk zelf van een plant of een pigment en dat met rijstmeel maken ze daar een andere grondstoffen. Dit zijn eigenlijk allemaal proeven die gemaakt worden.
Ja. Is er heel veel onderzoek gedaan over de staying power van die natuurlijk echt kleur?
Dat is echt een onderzoek, want het is wel kleurgevoelig en zo, daar zit het vaak in. Dat heel veel dingen worden, door de tijd en door het zonlicht wordt de kleur steeds minder. Dit zijn ook andere technieken ook in de zeedruk, wat dan met combinaties van verschillende stoffen in lagen werken en met lijmen. Dat je zo verschillende materialen. Dat druk je eigenlijk. Dus de lijm, dit is weer met inkt, dus het zijn eigenlijk verschillende, waardoor eigenlijk weer nieuwe stoffen worden gemaakt.
Kijk, het is een beetje een oude soort van...
kantachtige stoffen. Dus dit is weer met die oude techniek die hand.
Die mixen.
Ja, zo kan je hele interessante nieuwe
dingen
eigenlijk creëren met ook bestaande stoffen. Zo krijg je hele mooie helden.
En dat is een typische zeef.
Ja, dit is een zeef. Dit is eigenlijk met de hand. Steeds weer met een andere ondergrond en een andere kleurenwerk. Of hier allerlei basiskleuren. Inkt. Waar je kan werken en je kan ook alles weer mixen. Dus alle kleuren.
Als trend, wat ziet u echt bij de studenten het meest gewoon naartoe gaat?
Ja, vooral toch die duurzame kant op en eigen inkten maken en eigen kleuren en veel meer natuurlijke materialen.
Ja, er is een vraag naar natuurlijk. We weten hoe het
dus dat is wel iets wat nu voortgebracht wordt.
Nou, mooi. Hartelijk dank.
Ja, nou leuk.
Veel
plezier vandaag.
Ik heb wel iets nieuws voor hier bent.
Ja, inderdaad. Mooi, hier even goed.
Dat is actief. Jullie nog een graag.
Y en qué admiración como las holandesas. La vara muy alta.
But I think I'm going to see it later on.
Yeah, probably anyway.
So, good luck. Okay.
You have a stone here,
Yes.
fitting perfectly, and another piece connection like this, connecting the two together, and then
The other way around. Okay.
and here I'm doing a small silicone joint to control really the water flow.
Could you please, or it's a
Yeah, it's a really functional art, let's say. It's more
Functional,
like,
But that's why it's the functional piece.
like a fountain, like indoor fountain, just mesmerizing this, and pour some water, sweeping really slowly, and this was made at Eindhoven, so with the participation of different experts and glass blower here from the Brigade by the student of the glass. And the glass is not a
No, it's not something that you can directly just do and you will do it. And 60 is actually Slovakian and it's amazing knowing how difficult it is to do something like that, that they actually got the work being done. Oh, good luck.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Door middel van een fysiek een object te maken en daarna een klei een half in te stoppen, er gips over in te gieten en daarna de andere kant te maken. Nou, ik heb eigenlijk een beetje een andere manier verzonnen daarvoor en dat was door middel van een, er is geen object nodig en je kunt dan rechtstreeks hier gips in gieten. Dan krijg je deze gipsballen. Die kun je eigenlijk modulair in elkaar zetten, zoals hier. En daarin
patronen van
ja.
te laten zien.
Ja, te laten zien wat er allemaal mee mogelijk is inderdaad. Ja.
Nou, goed. En dan de glazuur komt later, et cetera.
Ja,
en dan heeft u allemaal geprobeerd met verschillende spullen hier.
Ja, dit was eigenlijk vooral om mee te beginnen. Dus een
3D-printing?
Ja, dit is allemaal 3D-printen inderdaad. Daar heb ik eerst in gerold en daarna ben ik dus op deze manier aan de slag gegaan door eerst een proef daarmee te maken en daarna ben ik dat gaan combineren eigenlijk. Ja.
Dus gewoon het is het namaken van dit object om met te... Nou, mooi. Goed. En nou, dus... Dit is uw werkplaats?
Nee, onze werkplaats is in Veghel eigenlijk. Ja, omdat keramiek binnen school te klein is.
Hallo, I'm Jack.
Hello Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Scotland.
Scotland?
Yeah.
Where in Scotland?
Glasgow.
Glasgow.
Yeah.
Very good. How did you end up here in Eindhoven?
It was a course I did before and the teacher just recommended me this school. I kind of wanted to leave the UK, to be honest. I think it's a good time. And well, I did this project with my friend Nick, and we took a lot of inspiration from Scottish landscape and these ancient dolmens you also have here. And maybe it's a different word. But,
yeah, I don't know what the word would be that in Dutch.
Nick, how do you say dolmen in Dutch? Now you get it.
Now I get it, yeah.
Yeah, but this sort of extraterrestrial to metal fusion of man and nature. Yeah, and it's kind of like you get these marble quarries where you have this pixelated rock form on the natural mountain. So yeah, also here is like crushed up rock.
So
exactly, the warp is in the shaker machine, all the yarn inside, and the weft is the 0.5 metal.
And what do you mean by 0.5 metal?
It's like a very thin, so you can touch it if you want.
Oh yeah.
It's not fragile, it's metal, so it's quite solid. And these give to the weaving different aspects. So here, it's as a normal textile, it's very flat, so you can touch it like this. But once you fold it, it really keeps the fold as a metal. So at the end, it's not really a textile, it's not really a metal piece, but it's becoming really a third material, something really different. There is a pattern here. I wanted to represent the very first step of my project. So like this, at different periods of the day, you can see different parts,
shades,
exactly, and different colors, because it's really absorb and reflect the
How are you?
We are good.
Self-check.
Self-check, yeah. So this is our project, these two together. And basically, they cannot shred
That's why
it.
they're now making jeans without it.
Yeah, exactly, pretty much. But that's the thing that we wanted to change, essentially. So would you want to take it over?
Yeah, so basically, the problem with recycling is that you have a pair of jeans and there's buttons on it, you have to cut this part off.
The leather part. And
exactly, because that's not possible to recycle. So we thought, we started from really like an idealistic vision that we want to create a garment that is made out of only one material, where also the hard and soft elements of it are completely from the same material. Yeah, touch anything like.
What is this?
This is a buckle, which
it's a buckle, yeah.
because of its flexibility in a normal buckle, because it's hard plastic, when you put it in, it goes from the inside and it snaps out automatically. But because this was very flexible,
I see it. Okay,
yeah, exactly.
It should be around.
Yeah, it goes around and then locks in from there. You can see it.
But you have to turn these two.
Not really. You can see like this.
Like this. Okay, yeah.
Basically, you take it and then you push it and it snaps in. And then you push, and then that's it.
And that's it.
And you can see it being used here.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
And our whole point was to basically use all these material of rigidity and everything else and shred them down to create a circular process. Because with the shredded material here, you can see underneath here. And our vision was, can we take the book actually? What if there was, for example, because our vision was quite a futuristic thing, or like a vision of the
well, welcome to my open closet. It's a dress-up space. It all started with a really big fascination of the punk ideology, of this loud, fast, and rawness that I really liked. And this is a whole study of deconstructing clothes that I don't wear anymore and that I find under anywhere possible. And just I sew them, I deconstruct them, I cut them in a way that is really fun and intuitive. And it's a working method that I also realized and learned on my own this semester as well. So there's a lot of shape studies, a lot of inside out, upside down things that I
How are you? No, don't worry. I'm so interested in your work, so just be open and tell me about it.
All right, I'll tell you. So I'm from Casablanca, Morocco, and my goal this semester was to mix traditional Moroccan craft with technology, to innovate and do something new. So they use a bit the same methodology as I was looking for, so traditional Indian craft mixed with technology.
Okay.
And if you want to see the installation itself, it comes here. So that's there you go. So it looks like that. So now I'm using what I've learned there to do my own thing, which is a synthesizer. So this is the prototype, and I invite you to just touch it and see how it works. You can go for it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Those ones are a bit low. But
yeah, I see. I went for the lowest of the whole scale. Oh, nice.
So from there, I would like to scale it up, use more Moroccan sounds and traditional instruments to then have this beautiful piece.
And are you going to limit yourself to the typical Moroccan things? Because that gives you, what is this, sort of 6?
12.
So it's 12, huh?
Yes, but
12 sounds?
For now, yes, because I wanted to make sure that what I'm doing works. Then I want to scale it up. So not only I can use this rose here, but also I can expand to other shapes.
Yeah, exactly.
But maybe
but then you will have to go to the mid sounds.
Yes, but the thing is, there are many scales that comes together and works really well. And since they're all part of the same scale, those notes, you can also play with multiple people and they won't bother each other. They actually like just come into one. So I'd like to have that in a bigger format, maybe another design, so I can also more appropriate it to myself.
Wonderful. And this is with textile. You also designed this?
Yes, I did.
And so basically, what do you use from the Indian handicraft that you applied here?
So that company was more into traditional textile, right? I'm more into wood, so that's why I applied it to my own interest. But they have the same technology in the way that they're able to embed a touch sensor into the fabric.
Okay.
And so it's completely seamless. So the patterns that you see here, you can touch them and it will trigger a sound or it will trigger a light.
A light, okay.
Yeah, so this is the concept that I've been trying to learn.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I hope it was not so awful. No.
En Mark van Winkel, hij is Yeah, you take the link, and then you take launch, and then
Again? Oh, let's see.
I think it's loading.
Yeah, it is.
There we go. Just take a step back. Small step back.
Okay.
You see the animation that comes to life in a digital form, isn't it?
Very good.
That was my experiment for this semester.
Very good. Wonderful.
I think this is a really beautiful example of how he's using new digital techniques, combining it with augmented reality, helping fashion marketing.
Don't you